Hey, so I know there hasn't been really much of any new product from me since like May, and I'm real sorry about that. Honestly, my motivation for creating anything for Etsy since the craft fair has just dropped. However, I am here today with a new product. Where I live, there used to be this hot dog stand, the only place in this area where you can get a good dirty water dog, and they used to have these Hawaiian shave ices. Unfortunately, that place, the owner, his wife can run a candy shop and the hot dog stand out the side. Well, they decided to shut down the hot dog stand just for the candy shop. But they used to have these, and my absolute favorite combination was blue raspberry and cherry. And they would come in these little fun cups. It was just so nostalgic, and I was really craving one the other day, so I was like, let's make some stickers on it. So these are available on my Etsy shop. The link is down below. And to see any new product whenever I decide to make more, the link to my Instagram is down below. Now, a couple weeks ago, you guys saw that in the scrawler boxes, I got some of these Faber-Castell watercolor bark pencils. And while I was putting these away, I found these old watercolor pencils. I don't know, can't even tell you how old these are, or if they're even good. I think I've honestly used them once, twice, I don't even remember. But like any hoarder, when I was out at the Dollar General the other day getting some of my favorite sparkling water, I found these. These were like $3. So I was like, okay, let's just use all my watercolor pencils in one drawing, because I haven't used watercolor pencils, excluding these, in forever. So I'm gonna swatch them all and we'll just see what it comes up with. I've just been going where the dopamine has been taking my art recently. Like, I'm not following any rules like draw this for more views or this and this. I'm just going with it. I'm vibing. So let's swatch and see how they look. I'm a cheap bastard. I'm just gonna use this from my scrawler box video. Just use the back of it where the markers did not bleed through. I need to get more water. Okay, water has been acquired. Okay, we all knew that the Faber-Castell ones were going to be good. I thought these were better, and they're not. They kind of suck really bad. So I honestly think I'm just going to give these to my sisters. But these fucking $3.50 pencils are actually good for $3.50. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna use these to make some art. These are actually decent. I'm shocked that these are decent. I'm actually excited for these. These look cool. Those are nice colors. The blue could be more. Whatever. Let's make something cool.